In front of me is Motorola Moto G15 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is open two apps in the background and then access background apps to decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of an app at the top of the chosen one and select split screen. Finally, tap on the second app and operate both at once. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!